Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to be building a trolley slash cart for my dad's MIG welder. The main reason why I'm doing this is because right now we store underneath the woodworking my dad's bench, which is sort of used for cutting metal and doing electrical work. And the problem is because it's underneath there, it's very hard to get out. So today I'm going to be building a trolley using some of these casters I got off a clothes basket that was in the laundry for my dad's work clothes, but we had to take these off because we didn't equate for the height of these, so I thought may as well use them for something useful. And I've also got some sheets of little offcuts of plywood laying around the garage, so I thought I may as well use them up because they were just taking up space. So thanks, hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So right now it's stored underneath here next to the box of metalworking tools. So that's got like wire brushes and stuff like that, and the air compressor. So my main goal is to make it so it can fit neatly in there without taking up too much space that I have to move either the toolbox or the air compressor. But one day I'm going to make another cart for this when I get some more casters and some more offcuts. So it should be fun. So I got my material here. I'm going to be using this sort of cut the sides down. So these are just going to be used for added strength. Even though this is already pretty strong, just means I got more timber to screw the casters into. And what I'm going to do is this is going to just get cut there and there. I'm going to go through, when I screw these on, I'm going to get screws that go all the way, nearly all the way through there. And I'm just going to screw them on and then put some more screws along here to give it added strength. And yeah, pretty well that's the plan, and so cue the time lapse.
I will do anything just to get you back again.
Now done. So it's just got the four casters on, and then just a whole bunch of screws in the bottom, so that won't ever come off. So now it's just time to install it. That should be fun. Okay, so now it's all set up. It's all been put back in. So now I just got to go through and want to do some welding. Slide it out, and off it goes. And when I want to put it back, just wheel it in. Probably should, next time I go to Bunnings, which is the name of the hardware store around here, I reckon I'll just get some ones that stay fixed, so that means that it's not as likely to get locked up, is what I was trying to say. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. So thanks for watching. Peace. So that's that out. Oh. Out. Let's come off. This one in cut. Oh. Ready. That has never been easy to get that out now. Put that in, that out. And if I do welding in the garage, we'll just wheel it around. Now I just got to tie it up.